looking at the floor panels.
Oh. Okay, yep. I've definitely failed here. So this is what happened in the last one, is that the bolts broke loose, okay? So this is exactly what happened on my first Forester. On the nut that's in there, which is just welded onto the sheet metal.
Yeah.
And that nut eventually tore loose.
So is that what it just did?
Yeah. Oh.
So what do you do now?
What I did on the other one is I actually had to locate the hole, the spot where it is on the above, and then cut a hole through the floor to put a socket on it from above.
So you got to do that here.
Yeah.
So did you have to drill that hole there?
Yeah, this hole was here. I opened this one up a little bit to see if I could get it through there, but it wasn't in the right place. So I made this rather large hole here.
I know how you like those.
The bigger the better. Gotta get a 19mm on there. Go one size bigger. The nice thing about the step drill though is you can inch your way up to it. There it is. Pretty big hole you gotta make.
Yeah, it is.
Which is unfortunate. Breaking things.
Yeah, you got life for days now. Can you explain real quickly why you have to do this?
Because
why do you have to do this?
that nut that's down in there was originally welded to the frame rail, so you didn't need a backup wrench, but the welds tore loose.
Welds to the...
That hold the nut onto the frame.
For the
bolts for the trailing arm.
So like if you wanted to put an extending trailing arm or just change your trailing arm for whatever reason.
Or put a spacer between the bracket. There's like many lift kits have.
Right.
Alright, I'm gonna try to hold it back it up with this, so I don't have to make that hole any bigger.
The bigger the better, right?
It's not really my philosophy when it comes to holes. Rather large hole here. Bigger the better. Yeah, it seems like this is a good way to break my ratchet.
Yeah, it does. That's only a 3/8" drive too.
Yeah, I should probably just open that hole up a smidge more and fit my breaker bar in the appropriate socket in that hole. What the hell? What's another?
But it's just a ratchet.
I'm gonna tighten it now. I'm just trying to get it that broke loose. I'm gonna tighten it up a little bit and then put more WD-40 on and then run it in. Just try to hold it still. There it goes. Go up in there easily. Okay, those are nice and slippery now. Here we go.
And that's what you have to do to get your end links off whenever they're seized.
Well, once I had this hole in here, I could kind of see a little bit where they were.
Okay.
And I kind of used that other bracket as kind of a guide. Like, yeah, I thought this hole seemed about in the center, so then I just kind of thought, and this a little ahead of there, and I just kind of like laid that on there like that.
So you guesstimated it.
Yeah. So this one is right there. I gotta move this. I gotta take this bar out then, actually.
Seems like it'd be easier to do it that way. This is a lot better.
So we want to save some weight.
It's a bad idea, dude.
Yeah. They went the trouble putting that in there. It probably really needs it.
Yeah.
So, looking at this one.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
We're almost right on this way, just a little bit more that way, and then about a centimeter closer to me.
Yeah, you know what? I think I am going to move my hole and then do it in here. I think we can get enough of a misalignment. That way I don't have to weaken this bracket.
So we can't get a proper bite on it. It's going to be more difficult.
Well, because we only, but if we make the hole big enough to fit the socket, then we'll have a bunch of sideways play. If we use, I've got a shallower 19mm socket. We put that in there.
All the way down in there.
What's that? Yeah. I mean, totally will here.
All right, dude. Whatever you think.
I mean, the question is, yeah, I can feel how. Yeah, there's plenty of room in this frame rail here.
Okay.
So I think I need to be about. I'm gonna go right here then. That'll work. Alright, so I think I'm going to use a hole saw for this one. I think we'll yield probably better results under these circumstances. Not quite there, but... There we go. So that was worked out just as I planned it.
Very nice. Yeah, it was deeper down there than I was imagining it would be.
Let's do that thing again. Let's blast it off there. You already WD-40'd it, so... I think I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to send it back up in first. And
WD-40 again.
Back down.
What do you think about this?
I don't know, man.